my agenda is a thing that I bought. They're actually pretty handy. I'll take the cable off here. I'm not showing you the package I opened because glue gun. Why did I buy a Dewalt one? Because same price as the other one. This is a Dewalt DWHTGR50 because you really need that many digits to tell. Like, couldn't just be like hot glue number 40 or something. Why did I buy a yellow one? Because I keep buying other yellow shit. The only problem I thought about on the way here, I was like, you know what? You buy yellow tools because you like the color or whatever. Originally, I bought a yellow. I think the first yellow thing I bought was a 18-volt toolkit. It was on sale. It was like, at the time, it was like $700, and they were like flipping it for like 300. It was like an 8-piece or something. It had the saw, the drill. I think it was 2 drills, the reciprocator, the flashlight, and what else was there? There was something else. So anyway, I bought that originally, and I just started buying tools because I like the color yellow. But I noticed after a while, when you buy too many yellow things, because I originally bought them because I was like, it's yellow, it's easy to find. Well, now when you throw too many yellow things in the pile, guess what? Not easy to find anymore. So I bought this, and I bought a pack of, what do you call it? Arrow. I didn't buy these were like $7 for 12, and the Dewalt ones were like $7 for like 6. Do you really think these plastic glue sticks are any? I mean, I'm sure they're shitty, like dollar store quality ones, but I mean, I don't know, you could like whip some. But I was like, I was gonna buy the 90 pack because you can never have enough of these things once you start using these stupid things. It's like, yeah, let's use a hot glue gun for everything. Nobody knows how to make glue anymore. It's easy to make glue. If you know how, it's very easy. I have a giant piece of rawhide over there. The grid goes down to make my own glue. Well, so yeah. It was like $20. It's $29 for 90 of these here, and like $7 for like 12. So I'm like, yeah, I think next time. I don't want to buy those. The box is open, and I don't trust the fact that the box open. You can stick your hand there and pull them all out. How many are missing? So that was my purchase to fix that clock that I showed in the previous video. It says on the package the advertising gets 50. Hotter 50% faster, or 50 times faster. I don't know, it was 50% faster. It did get hot pretty quick though. I was surprised. Although my wife has those little tiny ones there, and it takes forever. This thing's just like spit it right out. Whoa. It'd be funny to like take one of these apart, put like a 9mm in here with a clip in it. That'd be cool. The ultimate Dewalt gun. It actually looks kind of like Star Trek-y. If you didn't have the trigger, you do. Anyway, I'll shut up now. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Like I said, I'm doing a short video, so stay tuned. And thank you for smashing the subscribe button and the like button, and I don't care about the bell. So, toodles. Turn that one off.